What is good, family? It's your boy Ayem, and this is Ayem Sneakers. In today's episode, we'll take a closer look at the New Balance 550 Aime Leon Dore collaboration in Brown Colorway. If you haven't yet already, or if you are new to this channel, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be the first one to get notified when I drop a new video. And you can also find me outside YouTube on Facebook and Instagram. All my social links will be included in the description box. And please do me a favor by smashing that like button because it helps the channel to grow. And with all that being said, let's go. This is not my first pair of the New Balance 550 ALD or Aime Leon Dore collaboration. In fact, last year, I got my first pair of the 550s ALD, and if you haven't watched that episode, I will put the link in the description of this video. Make sure to check that out. This release or this recent release of ALD 550s is totally different from the previous one, as this comes in suede material. This release comes in two colorways, which is the brown. The first is the Brown Colorway, which we will be unboxing today, and the other is the taupe colorway. This pair has been released or was released last May 5 this year 2023 in a retail price of $130 US, and I think that is around 7,450 in Philippine peso. And with all that being said, let's start the unboxing. The pair comes in white solid carton box. I'm really glad that they changed the box. It is a lot thicker and way thicker than the previous one. And on the box at the top lid, you have the New Balance and Aime Leon Dore branding here, opposite, and the red line with blue border, and the same on this side. And on the wider side of the box, you have the New Balance 550 silhouette shoe here in red, and New Balance logo as well here, and Aime Leon Dore branding, the same as on the opposite side. And on this side, you have the size tag sticker or box label, and it says here ALD X New Balance 550, and the official colorway is brown beige. So let's open the box. Upon opening the box, it comes with this white wax paper with New Balance Aime Leon Dore branding in gray. And here is the shoe. This is the New Balance 550 ALD or Aime Leon Dore collaboration in brown colorway. And to appreciate how good they are, how dope they are, let's take a closer look. Looking at the front panel of the shoes, asymmetrical suede mudguard or toe cap in brown and mesh toe box in beige. The shaggy and long-haired suede is very smooth and soft. It really feels premium. Sail default flat laces and tongue in mesh material. It comes with this cream and brown extra laces together with the Ortholite hang tag, which tells us that it has Ortholite comfort foam insoles. On the upper part of the tongue, you have that Aime Leon Dore branding and logo together with the New Balance logo and 550 branding. Going to the lateral and medial sides, and logo and eye stay panel in brown suede material as well as the quarter panel. The only mesh material is the underlay on the ankle part in beige color. Sail and cream midsole with New Balance logo and branding. 550 branding in leather material at the lower front side. At the back panel of the shoes, mesh ankle collar in beige, ALD logo on the left shoe and New Balance logo on the right. Mesh sock liner in sail color. Brown insoles with ALD logo on the left shoe and New Balance logo on the right. Typical 550 rubber outsoles in sail with cream accent on the heel part. New Balance branding at the heel part of the outsoles. As far as sizing is concerned, these are pretty much similar with the other New Balance 550. They fit true to size in my opinion. And the usual size you get on the silhouette will be good. And in terms of comfort, the comfort is pretty decent. Don't expect too much on its cushioning or reactivity as it uses the old technology or the old comfort technology. Honestly, I love this colorway more than the taupe colorway, as the brown colorway has this contrast with the suede and the mesh material. The brown with the beige color, is very good. It's very dope for me, the contrast, because the taupe colorway has its monochromatic vibe, which I'm not a huge fan, but it's still good. I just prefer this brown colorway. And that's how good the New Balance 550 ALD or Aime Leon Dore collaboration in brown colorway. Let me know your thoughts on this pair. Did you cop one or planning to get one? Anything that you want to share, leave a comment below and let me know. And that's pretty much all about this episode. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and always remember, cop what you want, rock what you love. See you on the next one. Peace, God bless, hanggang sa muli.
In my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and